beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video I just want to show you guys how I take off my Polygel nails. I got this debonder from Amazon. I got it on Amazon. So all we do is just to keep applying it on the nails, and then gradually you start seeing how the nails will start getting softer, and then you use your cuticle pusher. But the other side of your cuticle pusher, I don't know what that side is called, you just start using it to lift up the nails gradually, then eventually it's going to fall off. Okay, just watch me as I do this. This thing worked like magic, guys. It helped me a lot. When I used it, I was so shocked and surprised. I think it's still gonna work for acrylic nails, but I only tried it with my Polygel nails, so it works perfectly. You can see that it's gonna start lifting up little by little. So you just have to use any flat thing, anything that is so flat that can go through your nails. You can just use it, and then you start seeing it will start lifting up. I got this on Amazon and I got it for $8, and it came in two. I got two of these for $8. All of my nails came off in like 5 minutes. Like 5 minutes, I was done. Literally, I was done. I was so surprised. If you guys want to try this is not a sponsored video. I just saw it and I decided to give it a try. It worked, so I decided to put it on my channel. Guys, if you want to get this, trust me, you will not regret getting it. Let me give my subscribers a warm welcome. Thank you. Welcome back again to our channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, like my videos, comment. I appreciate you guys. And if you know you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay? And don't forget to turn on post notification bell so that when I post any video, you'll get notified. Please join this lovely family so I can extend my warm welcome to you guys. Kisses to everyone. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If you have any video ideas you want me to do, just put it down in the comment section, and trust me, I'll put up that video for you guys. Okay, let's just keep watching how I take off my Polygel nails. Please guys, if there's any noise in this video, I am so sorry. My window is right across the street and it's raining, so I needed to put up a video. So that's why I just decided to do this voiceover. Okay, please, I'm so sorry. Okay. I would give this a 9.5 over 10 because nothing is perfect. Okay, so guys, this is really good. This did the job for me. I just had my nails for a week. I decided to take care of because I wanted to do another nails, so I gave it a try and it worked for me. Guys, this is really good. Go try it, right? And then put it in the comment section so I'll know how it worked for you. Give it a try. It will make your life so easy. Why should we stress ourselves anyways? So guys, go on Amazon, order it. I think you can use it for both acrylic, but I did it with Polygel and it worked really good. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for subscribing, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.